26 underway. Back in here a minute. Hello and welcome back. We just started harvesting. First field. See how we get on. Do a bit and see if it all works. I think it's the 13th of July. Monday afternoon. Right, we're back with the trailer. We've been around it once, lights are on. We will load down this side, maybe around the corner. Alright, we're just unloading. Just keep your eye on it, otherwise it'll be on float. That's it, first tank full off. It's a warm one again today. First load of corn on. Won't tip her off. That's the first two loads in. That's left over from last year. I moved it onto the front so we can use it first. Just going to spread it out thin so we can blow a bit of cold air through it just to cool it down before we heat it up. Getting down it now. Got another tank full on. Just that bit left. Little strip there left to do. A little bit down there. Then I think we're going to do another one after this. Sounding it. Going to the other side at wood. And then there's some more up there, but that one was not quite ready yet. Well, nearly got done. Bloody fan belt went. Just going to get a new one. Get it back on. Look at that, just about finished. That's it, first field in. Just going to put a fan on it now to cool it down. About a 12 acre done, 4 loads. Not yet, we had a breakdown. That'll block in half. That's the other half there. But we've welded a bit in the middle on it, so we should be able to slide it back together hopefully and get it going again. But we're just under the combine at the moment. It goes in the middle here under this lid. Right, so next day we've had a look around the combine and fixed something else that was wrong with it this morning. It's about dinner time now. Just going to come and do this 12 acre bit. We've mowed some of it and veiled it down this wood side where it was still green. Drop bed trailer off and we'll get him going. Alright, we're away. Unloading now. Bucky windows. Getting a bit in now. I've shoved yesterday's up to the back. Just putting it in about 1 panel deep now. And then we'll be able to blow it again tonight and get it back to the front again. Just about done down here. I'll go and get rid of this part load. There's one more tank full there on that bank. And then we'll be on the move again. Then we've just moved. Just got to cut his way on this bottom headland up to that tree there to get through an old edge to 10 acre on the other side of there to do first. This one's sprayed this one off, so it's not quite ready yet. He didn't spray and run across the bottom and up to that tree so we could get into it. There's a bit of grass growing in this one. This one will be a few more days yet. Just had to fetch a different trailer to put first bit of a load on. Baling man's just arrived. Gonna do that one that we did yesterday. Just behind the tree, I can't see him at baler. There he is, you can just see him in the distance. Off at Quadrant Baler. Bale trailers here as well. Right, we've just unloaded, just going to go into this bit now. Cutter's way across the bottom, one up the side. This bit in here next to do. Got a bit in here now, I've got the first load on in here. It's only done a small bit. I think this bit's about 3 acre. The other half's about 7. About 10 acre here to do, this side. Filling up nicely. Get another 1 to 2 load here and then that'll be it for today. Got to have a fan on then and cool it down. Getting down it now on this other half. Just that bit to do. And that'll be it for today. Right, just a quick update. This is the next day. Well, next afternoon. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Just going to do this. I think it's about 8 acre here and 2 bits up here and then I'm just behind them trees around that corner. So just get this done and then I think we'll be caught up then. Got about another 26 acre left of winter barley. It's not quite ready yet, some of it's been sprayed off, so that'll be a couple of days, a week or so. So yeah, when we've done this, we've done about 40. Not so bad. So, well, I might leave video here. So on the same old stuff. Just watch them go down there. I'm going to drop this off and get my trailer. Right, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ta-da!